Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to fix personal hotspot not working on iPhone. If you're using any iPhone and you're facing the issue that your personal hotspot is not working, so let's see some possible fixes for this. So the very first thing, you just have to go to your settings app, go to general, go to software update, and just try to update your software. Once you updated your software, you have to go back and just retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. If it's still not fixed issue, just scroll down and look for screen time section. Go to container privacy restrictions and disable all the restrictions from here. So after disabling all restrictions, just retry. Or you can also try to make a force restart to fix minor glitches. Now to do this, quickly press on the volume up, then volume down, then press and hold the power button and wait for your phone until the screen goes fully black. And here, once you get the black screen, you just have to wait for Apple logo. And once you get the Apple logo, just release the button and wait for your phone until it restarts. After restarting, just unlock your phone. And here you have to retry to check if your issue has been fixed or not. So your issue might have been fixed, or if it's still not fixed, you should go to your settings, go to general, go to transfer reset iPhone, select reset, then select reset network settings. Enter your iPhone passcode and then tap on Reset Network Settings from the confirmation message pop-up. It will reset all over your iPhone network settings. If there will be any issue with your iPhone network, it will be fixed in this app so you will not get the issue again. Or after resetting your network setting, if you're still facing the same issue, so there is the only way. Just try to contact with the Apple Support team. Just open your Apple Support app. You can easily install this app from your App Store, or you can also use the Apple Support app. Select your device from here. Select more options. Just look for hotspot here. Select hotspot. Just wait for the loading. Then tap on Get More Help. Then tap on Call Us. After that, you will find a phone number. Whenever you want to talk, you have to simply dial this phone number and you will be connected with Apple Support team member. You can discuss about your issue and get official help from there. So after that, your issue will be fixed. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.